There is Starfish, Echidna, sea urchin, Antedon, sea lily, Cucumeria, sea cucumber, Ophira, that is beetles, are now phylum Hemichordata. See in the diagram it is Balaenoglossus, and then Hemichordata, it is worm-like marine animals with organ system level of organization. Small group of worm-like marine animals with organ system level of organization. Now the anterior part is proboscis and then collar and then a long trunk. So body is cylindrically composed of an anterior proboscis, a collar and a long trunk. So this is it. Now Balaenoglossus and Psychoglossus are the examples. Now Chordata. Phylum Chordata defined by presence of a notochord or dorsal hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal gill slits, and this is it. Now we see Chordata characteristics. On the downside it is gill slits and post-anal tail present, then above the notochord it is nerve cord. So behind the notochord it is nerve cord, the part of central nervous system. Now comparison of chordates and non-chordates. So on the left hand side chordates, non-chordates. So notochord present action, then central nervous system dorsal hollow single, it is ventral solid double. It's kind of opposite. Then pharynx perforated by gill slits. Now gill slits are absent. Heart is ventral and then heart is dorsally present. Now post-anal tail is present and post-anal tail is absent in non-chordates. Now phylum Chordata are divided into three subphylum: Urochordata, Tunicata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. So Urochordata, Tunicata, Cephalochordata both are protochordates. Now examples of Urochordata: Ascidias alpha, Doliolum, Cephalochordata, Bronchostomata, Amphiosucus, or Lanceolate. Now you see in the diagram is Ascidia, that is a type of Urochordata. Okay, now vertebral column. What is that? The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adults. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. The members of subphylum vertebrate possess notochord during the embryonic period. Now, this notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. So, this is why all vertebrates are chordates, but vice versa is not true. Okay, the subphylum vertebrate is further divided as follows. So, vertebrate are having the division two types: Agnatha, Gynatostomata, so which bears legs, jaws. Agnatha class having the Cyclostomata, which bears jaw. Gynatostomata division having superclass Species Tetrapoda. Further belongs bears, fins. Superclass species belong classes Quadrochithis, Osteochithis. Now bear limbs. Superclass Tetrapoda having classes Amphibia, reptiles, aves, and mammals. The Cyclostomata, they are having gill slits which are 6 to 15 in pairs. Okay. These are jawless vertebrate, that is pteromyzon. Okay, which is also called as lamprey. Now mixin, that is hagfish. Okay, so this is class Cyclostomata. Now Chondrichthyes is this notochord is persistent throughout the life, having the operculum. The gills are separate without operculum, that is gill cover. Now they have plicat scales. The skin is tough, containing minute plicat scales. Chondrichthyes, there is a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Now examples of cartilaginous fishes: Colidion, dogfish, pistis, that is sawfish. So this is it. Now electric organs having chondrichthyes, they are torpedo. Chondrichthyes, poison sting having trigon. Poikilotherms, cold-blooded animals. Now examples: Colidion, dogfish, pistis, sawfish, carcharodon, great white shark, trigon, stingray. So examples of bony fish: hippocampus and ketla. So this is it. Now next is Osteochithys. These are the class. Okay, the class Osteochithys, these are the bony fishes having the operculum. The air bladder is present. Now marine form of Osteochithys: Exocetus, that is flying fish, hippocampus, seahorse, freshwater labio, rohu, katla, Calarius, mongoose, aquarium, betta fighting fish, pterophyllum, angelfish. So this is examples of bony fish: hippocampus and katla. Now class Amphibia, you see the body is divided into the head and trunk. Amphibia, head and trunk. And in Arthropoda, the body is divided into head, thorax, and trunk. So in here is head and trunk. Thorax is absent. And tympanium represents the ear. Okay, there is cloaca, common opening present. Alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. So this is the class Amphibia. Examples of Amphibia: salamander and rana. So Bufu, that is toads, rana frog, hyla, tree frog, salamandra, salamander, ichthyopes, that is limbless amphibian. Now, class Reptilia, they having scales or scutes. Now, examples chameleon, 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 that is tree lizard. Then crocodilus, that is crocodile. Chilon, that is turtle, and Naza, that is cobra. So examples of class Reptilia: Chilon turtle, testudo tortoise, chameleon, tree lizard, calots garden lizard, crocodilus, crocodile, alligator, hemidactylus, wall lizards, poisonous snakes, naja, cobra, Bangerus, great vipera, viper. So class use having feathers. The characteristic features of aves birds are the presence of feathers. Okay, now beak, they possess the beak. Now they have the wings. The foldings are modification of wings. They have the air cavities. The endoskeleton is fully ossified, bony, and the long bones are hollow with air cavities, that is pneumatics. They are homeothermous. Heart is four-chambered. They are warm-blooded homeothermous animals, that is, they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Now some birds: Nephron, Struthio, ostrich, Cichacula parrot, pavo, peacock. Nephron, that is vulture, gidda. So corvus, crow, columba, pigeon, Cichacula parrot, Struthio, ostrich, pavo, peacock, Aptenoda, penguin, Nephron, vulture. Now class Mammalia. They have the mammary glands. The most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk-producing glands in mammary glands, by which the young ones are nourished. So this is the class Mammalia. Now some mammals like ornithorhynchus, that is duck-billed platypus, then macropus, monkey, pteropus, flying fox, and Baleptera, blue whale. Now mammal is unique in possessing hair. External ears or pinna are present also. Now examples of mammalia: this is oviparous, ornithorhynchus, platypus, then viviparous, macropus, kangaroo, pteropus, flying fox, camelus, camel, macaca, monkey, ratus, rat, canis, dog, felis, cat, elephant, equus, horse, delphinus, common dolphin, Baleptera, blue whale, panthera, tigris, tiger, panthera, leo, lion. The silent distinguished features of all phyla under animal kingdom is comprehensively given in the table.